Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today is another lecture on triangle theorems. So let us see what the theorem says. So if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay. So what does the theorem says? Let me explain you. So it says that a line here divides, for example, the line here is DE. Let me zoom it a bit, it will be easier for you. So, okay, this is the line DE, and this line segment DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is DE AD by DB equals AE by EC. So AD by DB is AE by EC. And we have to prove that if this condition is satisfied, that if this line segment DE is dividing AB and AC in the same ratio, so DE is actually parallel to BC. So let me just repeat once again. DE is dividing the lines AB and AC in the same ratio. If this condition is fulfilled, or if this is the condition, then we have to prove that DE is actually parallel to BC. Now for this type of problems we apply a specific kind of approach, that is we actually prove this thing by contradiction. So first actually we assume that DE is not parallel to BC, and then we come to a point which actually contradicts our initial assumption that DE was not parallel to BC, and thus we have to say that our assumption was wrong and thus DE must be parallel to BC. So for that, to prove the theorem, we need a construction. We draw DE dash. Okay, DE dash is a point on AC such that DE dash is parallel to BC. So since we have considered DE is not parallel to BC, so we are drawing a line through D which cuts AC at the point E dash, and the line DE dash is actually parallel to BC. Here this is not actually looking like parallel, that DE dash and BC, but they are actually parallel. Okay, so let us consider DE dash and BC are parallel. So now let us come to the proof. So as I said you that let us assume DE is not parallel to BC. Now since we have drawn DE dash is parallel to BC, then according to the previous theorem you must remember that if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, then that line divides the other two sides proportionally, right? If you have not seen that video, please see that video. So we are just here applying the same concept. Since DE dash is parallel to BC, by construction DE dash is parallel to BC, so DE dash must divide the lines AB and AC proportionally. So AD by DB equals AE dash by E dash C. I hope this is clear. Now again it is given that the line DE divides AB and AC proportionally. So AD by DB equals to AE by EC. This is given. Now comparing 1 and 2, we have just found a result, and this is the given result. So if we compare these two results, we get AE dash by E dash C equals AE by EC. So AE dash by E dash C equals AE by EC. So see, finally what we are trying to prove, we are trying to prove that DE is actually parallel, right, but we have assumed DE dash is actually parallel to BC. So somehow if we can prove that E and E dash are the same points, if we can prove or if we can come to a conclusion that E and E dash are the same points, then we can say that DE is actually parallel to BC, since DE dash is parallel to BC. I hope this is clear. So to do that, what we do some algebraic manipulations from here. Now just a little observation that here AE dash plus E dash C is AC. You can see AE dash plus E dash C is AC, and again AE plus EC is also AC. So if we can manipulate a line like AE dash plus E dash C, then we can replace it by AC And on the other side of the equation, if we can bring a line like AE plus EC, we can write it as AC and we can cut both sides. So basically we are trying to do that one to simplify the result. Now to do that, we are actually adding 1 to both sides, because if we add 1 to both sides, then this denominator here E dash C will go up, and AE dash plus E dash C, which is actually AC, and on the right hand side also AE by EC, so EC will go up, so we will get AE plus EC, which is also AC, so they will cut each other. So here AE dash plus E dash C equals AC here, and here also AC, so that cuts out, and finally we reach to a point where E dash C equals C. Okay, so you now look here that we have finally come to a point where E dash C equals EC, which means that the lengths CE and CE dash are the same. Now this is only possible when E and E dash are the same points. Again listen, the value of CE and CE dash, which are actually the length of line segments on the same line segment AC, they are same. So CE and CE dash can only be same when E and E dash are the same point, right? So if E dash C equals EC, then E and E dash are the same points, and if E and E dash are the same points, then our initial assumption that DE was not parallel to BC was wrong, because if we have considered DE dash to be a line parallel to BC, and now we are coming to the conclusion that E and E dash are the same points. That means the line segments DE dash and DE are also same. They actually coincide, the line segments DE dash and DE. So if DE dash is parallel to BC, then also DE is parallel to BC. So our initial assumption that DE is not parallel to BC is was wrong, and so finally we can say that our initial assumption was wrong and DE is parallel to BC. So I hope this is clear, and hope you guys liked the lecture, and I think I have tried my best to make you understand. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will be back soon. So stay tuned.